Did you know you can download satellite images of anywhere on Earth, completely free? Here are the top 5 sources you need to know. Number 1. USGS Earth Explorer. Go to earthexplorer.usgs.gov. Create a free account, search your area, and download Landsat images with 50 years of historical data. Number 2. Copernicus Dataspace. Visit browser.dataspace.copernicus.eu for Sentinel-2 images. 10-meter resolution, updated every 5 days. Best for beginners. Number 3. NASA Earth Data. Head to earthdata.nasa.gov for research-grade global datasets from MODIS and Aster satellites. Number 4. ISRO Bhuvan. Indian viewers, bhuvan.nrsc.gov.in has the best satellite data specifically for India. Number 5. Google Earth Engine. The most powerful option. Analyze and export massive data sets directly to your Google Drive. Free access for anyone. All 5 completely free. Which one will you try first? Comment below and subscribe for more geospatial tips.